Bubba go woo woo.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me? Like how hard is
Hey! No! 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 No!
Man, this shit's so beautiful. Y'all see, dogs don't care about no color. Hold on, I think dogs are colorblind. I don't think you know who he hugging.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay? You
Are they making your chicken tenders? Chicken tendies.
Who done this?
Get down. Stop. Stop.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died. His battery died. What happened?
It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back.
Thanks, Kane.
Man, come here. Come. Come.
Today's episode of How Gay's My Dog. Here's a sausage, Bailey. Would you like it?